Hello everyone, I miss you all. So today I'm going to show you how we can prepare sweet and sour chicken in a really easy way, delicious and perfect way. So it's so quick. Let's start to prepare this recipe. Here we have vegetable oil in a wok. So I'm going to fry the cashew. By the way, all the ingredients are listed down in the description box down below. Please check it if you're interested. So we fried the cashew. Now in the same oil I'm going to add diced chicken breast. So here I have like 1 kilo of chicken breast, cut it into diced. So fry it. They need like about 15 minutes to be fully cooked. So every 5 minutes just give them a little stir and leave them on medium heat until they cooked or they fully cooked. So some people they add flour and some spices, so they fry it in deep oil, they leave it aside. But here is my way to make it healthy and easy as well. You know, it's so easy to be prepared. So remove the chicken after it cooked very good, clean the wok or the pan, and here I'm going to add some sesame oil, which is very healthy and give this recipe a really good taste. So sesame oil, we need like 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm going to start adding the vegetables. Here we have onion, so saute the onion. You don't need to cook the vegetables, they all fresh. You don't need to cook them a lot. So saute the onion, then add the green beans. Here we have fresh green beans, and after this we're going to add peppers. So colorful peppers, I'm using the yellow and the red and also the green. And finally add spring onion added, you know, a delicious taste. Although we added onion, normal onion, but I like to prefer to add also spring onion. So you can add the vegetables that you have at home, but look at the color, it's so beautiful. Don't overcook the vegetables. We don't want to lose the taste and the color as well. So after like 5 minutes, I'm going to add like 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and here are about 2 jars of sweet and sour. You can prepare it at home if you like. We know the recipe. If you're interested, I can make it for you in one day in a separate video. So if you like to you know, just don't waste your time, so just buy 2 jars for this recipe and add it. 2 jars of sweet and sour ready. Would be amazing for this recipe. Also, you can use half of the amount and try it, but I'm making it for my family. So after this, we'll leave this recipe on 5 minutes on medium heat. Also cover it, and here it's ready. So finally I'm going to add the cashew on top of them, just to keep the cashew crispy and crunchy. Don't overcook it with the whole recipe. So fry it, leave it aside, and add it at the end, so it will stay crunchy. So here we added as well sesame seeds. You can add as much as you want, but I like the taste of the sesame seeds. So I added 3 fully tablespoons of sesame seeds. Mix it all together. And as you can see, this recipe is fully with the beautiful color. It tastes so yummy. It's my favorite. It's healthy and it's delicious as well. It's worth to try it, guys. So turn off the cooker and serve it with the white rice. Here is the basmati rice. Cook it the way how you like. I saute onion with some oil and add basmati rice, add some chicken stock and cook it. Serve it with white rice. Also you can serve it with the noodles. Yeah, they both taste delicious. It's up to you, guys. All the ingredients are listed down in the description box. Hope you like this recipe. Try it please and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to keep a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for your watching and for your likes. See you soon. Bye.